What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are gonna do some spying on some push campaigns. So let's dive in. Alright, so today we are going to do some spy work, and we're gonna spy on some other affiliates using push notifications as their traffic source. And we want to spy to stay up to date and see what's working for other affiliates. And then we want to build a campaign around that knowledge. So we want to basically monitor what is working, what is not working, what kind of trends are developing in the push traffic niche. And based on that, we can have a better understanding on what kind of offers we should promote right now in these times. So let's go to our spy tool. Let's go to Anstrex, Anstrex.com. There we go. If you don't have an account yet, you can simply sign up right here with discovering the different plans. And obviously you would need the Anstrex push if you want to spy on push traffic. If you're more into native, you can also get Anstrex native. I am actually going to sign in because I already have an account with Anstrex. So I'm going to press sign in. There we go. Why does it not work? All right, there we go. Awesome. So this is Anstrex native. So I'm just going to switch it over to Anstrex push. There we go. And we're going to use some of these filters to make a better, to get some better results in line with what we are looking for. So first of all, I'm going to put the language on English to make sure that I'm able to read everything. There we go. All right. And so we're on push and we have the language on English. And now I want to change the days running. So right now I get all the results for push campaigns that have been running between 1 day and 633 days, which is quite a lot actually. So what I want to do, I basically want to see ads that have been running for a significant amount of time. Because if an ad is online for a longer amount of time, that suggests that the affiliate behind it is making profit with it, or at least still sees potential in his campaign. And if he or she sees potential in their campaign, that might suggest that it's something worth looking for. So let's change this up. Let's say 30 days. All right, 31, whatever. So between 31 and 633 days, what kind of results do we get? Boyfriend request. So that looks like a dating offer. This will change your life. This is obviously Bitcoin. Secret trading system. So that's also the finance niche. Only in Las Vegas. Combating psoriatic arthritis fatigue. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it seems like a health offer. Amazing, check this out. That's probably going to be a dating or adult. Let's check it out. What is this? Weird landing page. Because there are all kinds of different niches. I don't know exactly what this is for, but probably some dating or adult dating or whatever. Then we have casino right here, instant prize survey, so sort of sweepstakes. Then we have crazy over the quarantine. This is probably another dating kind of offer. 8 ways to overcome boredom while staying at home. Organize your closet, learn a new language, plan your future travel. All right. Okay. Her beauty. Don't know exactly what kind of offer that is. 10 kilometers away from active volcano. Katie sent you 3 photos. Obviously dating or adult. PC has a virus. So that's the antivirus software push campaign. Probably dating or adult. Reasons to love Selena Gomez. Okay, 10 signs that she loves. Alright. So all kinds of stuff. Let's tune this down a bit more because it's quite wide, although I do see quite some finance offers and dating offers around. Those seem to be the trend right now. So this is definitely adult. Adult, dating and finance seems to be the biggest at my first look right now. But you know what? Let's filter some more. So maybe we want to run in a specific country. Maybe we already know, okay, maybe you don't want to do tier 2 or 3, or maybe you want to do especially tier 3 or tier 2. So if you know the country that you want to run in, you can also specify on that to get some clearer results. So let's say I want to run in the USA. Whoops. Whoa. Alright, right here, USA. So let's filter on that and see what kind of results we get. So we still have that kind of health offer right here. Try this tonight and body fat melts away. Health, virus, sex community, so that's adult. 1 cup of this, so that's another health. Finance, restaurant supply. Alright, not too interested in that. This is e-commerce, looks like. Girls from Charleston looking for sex. Alright, so definitely adult. Teething toys for babies. Okay, e-com. Boston Proper. Skechers. Today's top stock. So another finance. Quite some e-com actually still there. Another virus. So right now, I think we can conclude that in the USA, using push traffic, right now very popular is the antivirus, the health offers, we see quite some lot, and finance is okay, is represented, but not hugely. The adult is also a big vertical in the USA for push right now, as you can see. Quite some adult offers in there. Only in Denver, cancer patients need these treatment options to prevent viral infections. So another health offer. That seems like it's e-commerce. So by scrolling through the ads that are online right now, you can get a better understanding of what is trending with the basically the traffic source that you use. So in this case with push ads, what is trending with the push ads in the country that you want to perform in. Or if you don't have a specific country that you want to run in, then you can basically not filter on the country and see and get an overall picture of what tends to be working. So if you're looking to promote in the USA, I would say the most popular verticals right now, as I saw from this little overview that we did, is basically adult, one of the biggest, health, antivirus software, and maybe finance, which is on the edge. And that is not, I'm not trying to say that you won't get as much profit with finance, because you can still get the same results or even better results than with a vertical like adult, but I'm just stating what seems to be popular in the push notifications in the USA as of this moment. And that is all based on what I find in the spy tool. So there are other ways to spy on ads and on trends in the market, but it's going to take you a longer time, a lot more time. You can do this, for example, by searching for the ads yourself, which is very labor intensive, but the best option to go with is buy Anstrex push, and do some spying using the spy tool. And as you can see, you will get all the results clearly in one page. You can filter on it and you can easily see what seems to be trending in the country that you want to run in, or overall just look what seems to be working for other affiliates. And what seems to be working for other affiliates usually means that it's a popular vertical. Not always, once again, it's not that it's a given that going with that vertical is gonna make you a lot of money, but it will give you a better potential if you know what trends are developing in the market and even in the country, if possible. If you know what country you run in, definitely specify on that country, as the trends might differ per country. So what is working on push ads in America, like for example these adult offers, those might not be working in another country. Maybe if you feel like, I'm not gonna promote in the USA, but in the UK, maybe there are no adult push ads in the UK, because maybe they don't click on it if they get a message like that. It's just an example, but that's how you should look over these titles. Gather the information, see what trends are developing, and if you do this like at least once a week, you will get a better understanding of what's happening. And by having that understanding, if you can see a new vertical slowly pushing in and in and in, and you'll see more and more and more of that vertical, then you know it's the perfect time to step in and to launch a campaign in that vertical yourself. The other way around, however, if you then see that less and less affiliates are promoting it, maybe it's time to step out. But obviously you would determine that on your data. So if you see a vertical coming up, for example, adult, you haven't seen it for a while, and then all of a sudden more and more ads show up in your spy tool, shoot your adult campaign live in that country. And then when it's becoming less, you will look at your data. Is there still potential in my campaign to keep this running, or should I close it? Then it's not as important what your competition is doing, because if adult is no longer working for your competition in that country and they all shut it off, that's fine. As long as you're making profit, that's the most important. So trust the numbers from your campaign and let your data guide you to your decisions. That's the most important take for today, and always stay up to date about what's happening in the market. All right, that's going to be it for today, but I will catch you next time. Peace out.